In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and tapping on connected devices right away. Then select connection preferences, printing at the top, and finally default print service or any other service you wish to use. To use a different one, hit add service, install perfect one for your printer and go back. Your service will appear over here. Now after tapping on your service, make sure the switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you need to hit the default print service this time and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then hit add printer and either use the switcher next to Wi-Fi direct printing to enable or disable this feature, or click on add printer by IP address, input it and hit add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!